Alrighty, what's going on guys? Nick here from MP Media. We got a special one today. Sleek Space has sent us a bunch of garage tiles and some lighting for the garage. Hopefully vamp it up and make it look nice and sick. We've gone with the ULTRATUFF in Space Grey, which should hopefully suit the colour of the car and the garage and make it look pretty good. Let's crack these boxes open, let's see what the tiles look like, and then we'll get the car out, show you what the before looks like and get into it. Alrighty, let's crack these open. So this is the tile. Like I said, it's the ULTRATUFF in Space Grey. What I really like about this, it's a solid diamond tread surface as opposed to some of the other tiles. I think one, it'll look better and a bit more modern and less like a workshop almost, which is perfect for the garage. And it's got really good tread and it's good for constant parking in and out of the garage. So yeah, should be good. I really like this. Feels nice and solid. Should look good. Sleek Space has also sent us some edging which will go along the front of the garage just to help the car get in and out smoothly. They're in the same colour, so should match pretty well. And then lastly, they've sent us a lighting setup which is in here. We can get to that later when we finish the floor tiles. But let's get the car out of the garage and we can get started. Alrighty, this is the before, pretty bland. Let's get installing. Alrighty, as you can see the tiles are all in, it's looking good. We used a jigsaw as you saw to cut the edging on the sides. To be fair, everything was a pretty easy install, the colour looks great. Next is the lighting which we're going to put on that wall instead of the ceiling. So yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty, this is the box for the lighting. Pretty much we've got just a bunch of connectors that I think will get screwed into the wall using these guys. And then these are the light panels themselves that'll kind of connect into each other and form the hex shape. Let's get started. Alright, and that's the garage done. Check it out.